So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, I came with one of the important opportunity from the Indian Navy. So, finally, they have announced the applications. So, they are inviting the application for Short Service Commission in Executive Information Technology Jan 2027 course. So, the date of opening of application is 16th May 2026, which has already been open, and last date to apply for this application is 1 June 2026. So, especially friends, if you are the candidates from the BE, BTech, MSc, or other CS and IT or network related background, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so talking a little bit more about this, so applicants are invited from unmarried eligible men and women candidates for the SSC in Information Technology and Executive Branch of Indian Navy. So if you want to work with prestigious organizations with our defense sector, you can apply for this. So branch cadre will be SSC Executive Information Technology and born between 2 Jan to 1 July 2020, means 2007. Then you can apply. Total vacancies is 15, so there will be strong competition, but still very few students have idea about these kind of opportunities, so apply. There is strong chance of getting reward. Okay, so candidates must have minimum 60% marks in English in class 10 12, and the other requirements is MSc, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, computer science engineering, computer engineering, IT, software system, cyber security, networking, computer network, and data analytics and AI. If you have done the BTech or graduations with this, then you can apply. Beside that, MCA with BCA or BSc in computer science information technology, all can apply for this wonderful opportunity of the Indian Navy. So who can apply? Candidates who have graduates with 60% and or equivalent CGPA, then only you are eligible for this. And these are the some requirements, and other things are there. So talking about the selection process, so selection process, first shortlisting of applicant will be based on normalized marks obtained by candidates in qualifying degree. Means based on qualifying degree, you will be basically getting, or you will be shortlisted. And BTech for candidates who have completed or are in final year, marks are obtained up to 5th semester will be considered. So 2026 and 2025 both can apply for this. Means final year students as well as pass, और जो who have passed भाई आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So don't miss this and share this with those students. देन फाइव क्या होगा, आप लोगों को शॉर्टलिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट दियर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग फॉर एसएसबी इंटरव्यू. सो एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको जाना होगा. एंड रिलेटेड टू एसएसबी, इफ यू नीड डिटेल वीडियो यू कैन कमेंट हेयर, आई विल मेक अ डिटेल वीडियो. देन एसएसबी सेंटर आपको एलोकेट होगा, एंड इंटरव्यू is not permissible under any circumstances, and candidates are advised to download the call up letter and we have to basically go through it. So AC 3 tier rail fare is admissible for the SSB interview. Means जो आप जहाँ जाइएगा तो AC कोच का आपको चार्जेस मीन्स फर्दर आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, मीन्स AC कोच का टिकटिंग वगैरह भाई इंडियन नेवी आप लोग को अफोर्ड करेगी. सो मेरिट लिस्ट फर्दर बनेगा बेस्ड ऑन द SSB मार्क्स, सो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड यू शुड बी फिट इन मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन एंड अदर्स आर देयर. बिसाइड दैट, इफ यू विल सिलेक्टेड, you will be basically getting trained in the rank of sub lieutenant. So this is a wonderful opportunity, and this is the pay and other requirements are there. So don't miss this, and I will suggest this is one of the great chance to work with this prestigious organizations. If you want, you can apply for that. And for applying, just you have to go to the official website of Indian Navy, and here you have to just register. If you are the first candidates, you have to register, and if you are the already registered, then you can just log in. Okay, so accordingly you have to register. If you need a registration video or other things, you can tell there. Okay, so I hope this video informative to you. कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or anywhere, and you can ask your query there. मिलते हैं next important updates में. Thank you.